look cute. Hello, I'm Ali and I'm here to record a tutorial on the freckles I did on my story. So yeah, let's get into it. Things you're probably gonna need for this tutorial are dark brown mascara, eyebrow pencil, gel liner, and a dark brown eyeliner. You can change the tones of these pencils according to your skin tone, and then you're gonna need a red toned blush to give you like that sun-kissed look on the cheeks, that very anime kind of look. So first thing I did was I took this dark brown eyeliner from NYX and I just basically drew some dots, but you want to be careful with it. You want to dab it right after you put those spots, because once it dries out, it's really hard to make it lighter, you know what I mean? So I went like that, a couple dots, they don't have to be defined. You see how it was dark before, but then I tapped it and then it kind of just blended into the skin, focus around the center, and then it scatters out and it kind of just disappears. I don't know why, but while I'm recording, I just feel I'm never gonna post it. So let's see if it makes on the gram, because I've done it in the past. And by the way, we're going to the FAT today. It's the fashion art con with the fashion week. So once you're kind of done with this, where did you put it? You're gonna take your gel eyeliner, create a few spots, and then you just blend it. This step is kind of unnecessary, but I do it because the more you mix stuff, and the more natural it looks. Can you see nothing without my glasses? Okay. So the second last step is that brown eyebrow mascara. It's basically the same thing. Make big spots, but this is really easy to blend. So I'm just gonna go into that finger and just fucking blend it. Excuse my language. There's no right or wrong. It's just about what looks right. If you make a mistake, just rub it off. So I'm gonna make it more natural. Sarah's also going to the show with me today. Living alone, the biggest problem of the day is what I should eat. So I told her if she figures out, I'll do her hair and makeup, so she's probably on her way. And I'm taking my blush. I'm just gonna dab it just underneath the eyes, on the nose, and then basically the same areas where I put my freckles. It's gonna give you that cute looking face that you don't have. Just do it under the nose bit. Just leave this area very bright. That's gonna make your nose look pointy, even though it may not be mine, but it will help. I think that's too much blush, but the thing is, blushes it kind of fades away after a while, so it's fine. I think that's pretty much it. They look cute. Well, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope it helped you in some way, maybe give you some good tricks and whatever. But yeah, let me know in the comments if I should make more content like this, or what kind of content you would want to see on my profile. And yeah, so bye.